I'm Rose. Today we are in the second section of this chapter, that is Standard 6 Biology, Chapter 2 Components of Food. Okay, so in the last video, as we have discussed about what is the nutrition, what are the nutrients which is very necessary for our body, and also what are the major components that also we have studied. So what major components were the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and also two more important thing, that was the water and the roughage. So these all we have discussed in the last video in detail. Today we are going to discuss why do nutrients do in our body, and also what is balanced diet, and some of the important, what is the lack of or what is the backwardness of the people who suffer with the different diseases. Okay, so in this topic you can see test for carbohydrates, protein and fats. This topic I'll just discuss in the lab. Okay, I'll show you in the lab how we can test about the carbohydrates, proteins and the fats. Okay, so today we are going to discuss why do nutrients, what do nutrients do in our body. Okay, so there are different things that the major components do in our body. Yes or no? For example, carbohydrates. As we know, carbohydrate is one of the what we call energy providers. Okay, so this how does it provide? That means this carbohydrates give instant energy. That means we can say it gives we can say very short time. Within a short time, it gives us energy whenever we need it. Okay. Another is the fats. It is also an energy provider, but it needs some time. Okay, so after some time, or we can say it is a long-term process when the fats gives us energy. So that is why it is also called the energy bank. Another is the protein. Okay, this protein helps us in growth and development of our body, and also it repair the worn out cell, or it repair the body. Okay, so it gives the new cells, or we can say new development in our body. Another is the vitamins. Okay, vitamins, if you talk about, it boosts up our immunity. That means it helps us to fight against any diseases when it enters to our body. Another is the minerals. Okay, minerals is actually, it needed in a small amount, but it is essential for the good health. So this is what this nutrient do in our whole body, or in our in our body. Okay, so if you talk about how we should take any nutrients or any food in a right proportion. Okay, so here one topic is the balanced diet. Okay, so if you talk about what is balanced diet, it doesn't mean that we should eat all the food together or something like that. No. So as we call, that means this balanced diet depend on, we can say, sex, age group and the occupations. So for example, you student. Yes or no? You student, you need for studying, then also you need what we call physical activities, you play, you sing, whatever you need. Yes or no? So according to that, you need the right way, or we can say what are the food you need. For example, you need milk in the morning, or we can say you need some chapatis, Greek vegetable, which is very rich in protein. Okay, so the we can say young children need more and more protein, because they are in the process of growth. And development. Due to that, they need more and more protein. Okay, so and this that is why what it is said, a balanced diet is defined as one which contains different items of food in such quantities and proportion that the need of all the nutrients is adequately met. Okay, so that means every people, or we can say every person has his own diet. Okay, so they take their own diet, or we can say their own way of food. That means it is not similar. Okay, for example, I have my own diet. Yes or no? I need some I need different food. For example, you need different food. Yes or no? So there is a way of the way of taking the food, intake of food, any food we can say. For example, that means we can say that we should take in a right proportion. Okay, so every person has his own diet. Okay, So this is how the balanced diet is being followed. Okay. So as I told you, that means this balanced diet are depend upon the sex, age group, and also the occupation. That means according to the ages, according to the occupations what they do, or whether it is a female or a male. Okay, so according to that the diet is being taken. Okay. Another, if we talk about, there are some more important things happen in the world. That is one of the deficiency diseases, or we can say disease which occur due to the lack of poverty, due to the lack of education, due to the carelessness, or we can say non-availability of food. So there are some diseases which cause in the which is being caused. Okay, so that is the undernutrition and malnutrition. Undernutrition and malnutrition. Okay, so this undernutrition and malnutrition is actually the lack of minerals or nutrients. Okay, this happens due to the lack of we can say absence of any nutrients or any what we call food which is having a high amount of nutrition. Okay, so due to that what happened? This happened due to the poverty. That means the people can, for example, in the village area, remote area if you talk about, there are so many people who doesn't get proper food. Yes or no? There can be a very far away from the market or something like that. Okay, so it can be due to poverty, non-availability of food. That means there is some people are so much poor that they can't afford the proper food. Yes or no? So due to that what happened? Due to unavailability of food. Another is the carelessness and lack of education. That means the people, those are having a what we call all the availability also, they what they do, they carelessly, or we can say due to lack of education, they don't give a proper nutrition or proper food to their own children. Those are growing. Due to that, this what we call this disease occur in human being. Okay, so this is how it happens. Okay, one more is that obesity. If you talk about obesity, this is, and in the modern world it is a so much versatile type of disease. Yes or not? Everyone, or we can say most of India itself, or we can say whole world, you can see the obesity is one of the most what we call versatile type of, or we can say famous type of disease it is occurs. This is due to what happens due to the what we call regular occupation, or we can say they are not getting the time for themselves. Okay, so this we can say overeating of carbohydrates and fats. Okay, so this is what this is how it happens. Okay, so if you talk about this overweight, in the obesity what happens? The overweight and the bulkiness, that means the fat, the size of the body grows in a bit. Okay, so this is what is the obesity is. Okay, so if you talk about the causes of obesity, if you talk about, that means overeating. It can happen due to overeating. It can happen due to a hormone disease, or we can say that means it is due to the metabolic what we call metabolic rate, or we can say metabolic disorders, or another is that lack of physical or physical exercise. Okay, so this is due to how this is what the cause of the obesity. That means we can say once more, if you talk about it is due to the overeating, then we can say metabolic disorder, it can be lack of exercise. Okay, so these are the 4 ways of how it causes the obesity. Then if you talk about how we can control, so if we can control this, we should do a regular exercise. We should do a regular exercise, and we should eat more amount of watery food, or we can say like vitamins and minerals like fruits, spinach, not the which contains we should not what we call, we should prohibit the that means the carbohydrates, much more overtaking of carbohydrates and fats. Okay, the another is that what we call, we should that means we should drink more and more water. So this is what are the ways to control the obesity. Okay, so this is one of the most important what we call health hazard, or we can say one of the most important disease which is spreading all over the world. So today in this chapter we will study till now, and in the next video I'll see you tomorrow, or we can say in the next video I'll see you with the deficiency of disease. Okay, thank you.